Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we look forward to 2026 to explore a pivotal question facing the industry. Is MedTech M&A poised to return as a major strategic growth engine? For the past few years, the market has favored smaller, selective tuck-in acquisitions over mega mergers driven by valuation concerns and economic uncertainty. The question now is whether the strategic need to innovate and capture market share will shift this dynamic back toward large-scale deals. We see compelling reasons for a resurgence. Large medtech companies are sitting on significant capital, and they face growing pressure to fill gaps in their product portfolios to sustain growth. Key areas of interest include diagnostics, particularly with the rise of personalized medicine and AI-driven platforms. Structural heart devices remain a hot-ticket item due to an aging global population and the demand for less invasive treatment options. Additionally, workflow assets and digital health solutions are critical as healthcare systems prioritize efficiency and data integration. For many established players, acquiring these innovative assets is a faster and more effective path to market than internal research and development, which can take years. However, significant headwinds remain that favor a more disciplined approach. Valuation discipline is paramount. Buyers are increasingly cautious and unwilling to overpay, demanding clear strategic value and a solid financial case. Furthermore, integration risk is a major deterrent for large-scale deals. Successfully merging corporate cultures, technologies, and regulatory frameworks is a monumental task, and a failed integration can destroy shareholder value. We must also consider the heightened scrutiny from global regulatory bodies, such as the Federal Trade Commission in the United States, which can delay or even block major acquisitions, adding another layer of complexity and risk. Looking toward 2026, we anticipate a hybrid market. We will likely see a continued, steady stream of smaller and more selective acquisitions, as these deals are easier to justify and integrate. However, we also expect a handful of bold, strategic, and transformative deals to emerge. These will not be acquisitions for the sake of size, but highly targeted purchases of companies with unique, high-growth assets in areas like advanced diagnostics or robotics. The new era of MedTech M&A will be defined not by the quantity of deals, but by their strategic precision. Navigating the regulatory landscape after an acquisition is a critical component of a successful integration strategy. If your company is planning its global market access strategy, whether through organic growth or acquisition, Pure Global can help. Please check the description for links to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.